Come on.
So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is djeekho, this is Lakbaylaag channel, and today I'm with this little beautiful girl right here. Pop girls!
Yes.
Anyway, so we're here in what is the place?
San Benito.
Actually, it is a Kaliguan. It's called Kaliguan right over there. There's a signage right there. It says Kaliguan, but it is little waterfalls right here. As you can hear the sound of the water flowing around this area. Anyway, so this place is located in San Benito. Just go past to San Benito and right to the next, just right in the main road. You can just see this beautiful spot right here. So what we're gonna do today here is we're gonna take a bath. We're gonna swim and enjoy this place right there, and gotta jump as well. Have fun and enjoy. So let's come enjoy. Gabi ka over.
Jauh dah dapat.
Sorry guys, welcome. I just came back here at Carmen, and yeah, I just dropped by here because there's someone I knew in here. They're having I don't know what it calls. They're having business or a mini business. Actually, it was from Joy's business right here. And this is her sister, and they're having a food like this, banana. And also the other one, that's pancakes, or is that pancakes? Hot cakes. Okay, so hot cakes. Just right here. And so what we're gonna do in here, we just have to stop by and I don't know, taking some snacks. And yeah, if you wanted to get some snacks, especially the local type here, a banana Q. No, it's not banana Q. It is a, what it calls? This one. So it's called barbecue banana. I don't know. It's ginanggang. It's a local term, ginanggang. It's a grilled banana. It's a grilled banana. So yeah. So let's check it out here. Alright guys, so let's end this video for today, and of course this video will not end without shouting you all guys, especially shout out to all of this, shout out to all of you guys, and especially to this person right here, and yeah, Jojo will be the one who rated.
Shoutout to Jerome Villaferte, Crystal, ano pinito? Crystal.
Basta Crystal. I forgot your name, but yeah, maybe yes. Shout out to Crystal
And Marvic Beroya.
Maribek Beroya, shout out to you.
And G's Vlog.
Just Vlog, super shout out to you. Just Vlog.
Browsers.
Bro RS, Bruce RS, Bruce RS, yes.
And
Bruce
Jura
RS.
Adrian Sulapas. Adrian
Yun.
Sulapas.
Shout out.
Lester Metra.
Yun, ha?
Acadens Dolgimi.
Yan, Akadens, shout out to you.
Jermark Cortina. Jerome Kumon and Rutbu.
Brut. Shout out.
Christian Cabillan, Bia Humay Lab, CG Arcular Cabillan, Angelica Butardo, and
Super shout out
last
to
but not the least,
Yes.
the Hanshin Barber Shop.
yeah, super shout out to Hanshin Barbershop. Just right here in the Carmen. So that's all for today guys, and see you on my next vlog. Of course.
See you!